Ladies and gentlemen, hello mga kaibigan sa Whitey World. Ang bidyong ito ay simple ginawa ko para sa isang napaka bless at isa sa mga kapamilya namin sa Fish Orchard Sunday, ang aming brother sa Fish Light. Dahil nga sa kanyang special day ngayon, ginawa kong bidyong ito para batiin siya ng simple message. Walang iba kundi si Bro Alan Villanueva. Dahil sa iyong special day, bro, ang mensahe ko sa iyo ay I wish you more birthdays to come. Continue being a blessing to everyone. Continue giving an inspiration all the time to our Fish Light family, to our Fish Orchard and the whole wide world. Maraming nanonood sa atin at continue being a blessing, being a good Samaritan for helping others, for an inspiration to everyone. Wish ko na sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng being always healthy, always happy, and always more blessings, and wish also to your family always happy and healthy, and always I know you are a good father to your 2 children, and you are a good husband to your wife and to your family. So I'm so happy as one of your sister in our Fish family, and thank you for being always an inspiration to everybody, and isa ka sa mga hinahangaan ko bilang isa rin sa mga speaker natin, and I wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Yan lang ang masasabi ko. God is always with us, and I know that all your desires of your heart may come true. At labing tatandaan, nandito lang si Marieta, at laging nagsasabing every kissing is a blessing. Thank you for everything, for your helping us, for our Fish Light group, and ano pa ba? Happy birthday. May God bless you. Happy 40th birthday. Life begins at 40. That's all, and I thank you. Happy 40th birthday. God bless. Mwah.
Hello, a blessed day to all, and especially a blessed day to you, Brother Alan, and happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa Panginoon na bigyan ka palagi ng kalakasan sa lahat ng iyong mga gawain, sa iyong pagtatrabaho. Bigyan ka ng divine protection na nagmumula sa ating Panginoon. Brother Alan, maraming salamat sa patuloy na paggabay niyo po sa amin upang makapakinig po kami ng mga aral ng Diyos. Kayo po ay isang biyaya na nakilala ko po, at lalo po isa rin po kayo sa nakatulong sa akin upang lalo pa tumatag ang aking pananampalataya. Brother Alan, again and again, happy birthday to you, and many more birthdays to come. At ang alam ko, ang Panginoong Diyos ay laging nakagabay sa iyo at iingatan ka niya. Hindi ka niya iiwan magpakailanman. God bless, Brother Alan, and happy Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.